Hey everyone, it's the Tech Freak. Today, we're gonna have some fun and create a micro-world environment of Egypt with a lake using Photoshop. Let's get started.
First, let's open up Photoshop and create a new canvas. I'll make it 1080 by 1080 pixels, just like the size of a Kamehameha wave. Now, let's gather some images of Egypt, like the pyramids, the Sphinx, and some desert landscapes. Don't forget a picture of a lake too. We'll need that for our micro world. Time to get creative. Let's start by placing the pyramids and the Sphinx on our canvas. We'll resize and arrange them to make it look like a tiny world. Remember, practice makes perfect, just like in martial arts. Now, let's add the lake to our micro world. We'll use the lasso tool to select the lake from our image and then paste it onto our canvas. Make sure it fits nicely with the rest of the environment. Shadows and lighting are important, just like when I power up. Let's add some shadows to our objects to make them look more realistic. We'll also adjust the lighting to make our micro world look like it's under the hot Egyptian sun. Details are important, even in a tiny world. Let's add some palm trees, camels, and maybe even some tiny people exploring the pyramids. The more details, the better. Our micro world is looking great, but let's make it even better. We'll adjust the colors and contrast to make everything pop, just like when I go Super Saiyan. We're almost done. Let's add some final touches, like a lens flare or some clouds in the sky. Feel free to get creative and add anything else you think would make our micro world look amazing. Wow, our micro-world environment of Egypt with a lake looks incredible. Let's take a final look at our creation and then export it as a JPEG or PNG file.